Assalamu alaikum. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the Kaon particles, the properties of Kaon particles. So you know that we are going to discuss about the two main Kaon particle, which is K positive and K negative. Kaon positive and Kaon negative, which can be described by this. As we know that kaons are mesons, because made up of quark and anti-quark. That's why these are mesons, and those kaon are basically the strange particles. You can see here the type of the particle is meson, and they are bosons. Which bosons are they? They are basically pseudoscalar bosons, you can say. Also, what are the quark contents? Whereas K positive meson is concerned, the quark contents are U S bar, and whereas K negative meson is concerned, the quark contents are U bar and S. Okay, it means the K plus is made up of an up quark and anti-strange quark, and the K minus meson is made up of anti-up quark and a strange quark. The electric charge for the K plus meson is +1, and the charge for the K minus meson is -1. Similarly, the spin for both K positive and K negative is 0. The spin for both kaon positive and negative is 0, whereas strangeness is concerned. The strangeness for kaon positive, where you can see, is +1, and whereas strangeness kaon negative is concerned, the strangeness is -1. Because we know that the kaons are strange particles, those are not baryons and those are not leptons. So the baryons and leptons number is 0 for kaons. Okay, because this is kaon is not a lepton, kaon is not a baryon number, it's a meson. Okay, and the mass for kaons are 493 approximately mega electron volt per c square. Understood? And their mean lifetime is same, which is 1.238 10 raised power minus 8 seconds. And they decay by weak interaction, because those are strange particles. So these are some properties for kaons. In next slides we will discuss more interesting about particle physics. Till then, take care and Al Hafiz. Thanks for watching.